Hello and welcome to Maths with Udom. I still remain your online mathematics tutor, Mr. Okon Udom. Today, we are going to look at another topic, which is ordering of fractions. Ordering of fractions. So let's start. Okay, ordering of fractions. Now, when you talk about ordering of fractions, from the word ordering, ordering simply means arrangement. Okay, arrangement. And ordering of fractions can also be likened to arrangement of numbers, either in ascending order or descending order. So fractions can either be arranged in ascending order or descending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order simply means from the smallest to the biggest number, from the smallest fraction to the biggest fraction. While descending order means from biggest fraction or biggest number to smallest number, biggest fraction to smallest fraction. Okay, so like ascending order, like you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. That is ascending order. You are climbing up, increasing in value, in numbers, okay? Just like somebody climbing a staircase. From one staircase to another, the person is moving higher and higher, okay? While descending order, what does that mean? It means from higher to lower. Let's say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it means it's going down, it's dropping gradually, reducing in what? In numbers. The same thing can be likened to fractions. We can arrange fractions also this way. So in today's class, we are going to look at the first aspect of ordering of fractions, which is what? Ascending order. Arrangement of fractions or ordering of fractions in ascending order. So today's video is based on that. Okay, we are looking at ascending order. Ascending order, which is what? From smallest to what? To biggest. So let's have our example. And the example is arrange these fractions in what? In ascending order. So what are the fractions? Let's have the fractions arranged in ascending order. Let's have 3 divided by 4, 5 divided by 8, 7 divided by 12, and then 2 divided by 3. So these are the fractions we want to arrange in ascending order. So for us to achieve this result, we need to follow 3 steps to achieve the result here. The first step is that we are going to find the LCM of all the denominators. Okay, we have 4 is one of the denominator, 8 is denominator, 12 is denominator, 3 is denominator. We'll find the LCM of all the denominators. Then step 2, we are going to multiply each of the fractions with that LCM. And then thirdly, we arrange the final results in ascending order. And that will be all. Okay? Though we have method 2. I will teach you method 2 after this method 1. So let's move to method 1. Solution. Let's have it method 1. Method 1. So let's find the LCM of all the denominators. So what do we have as denominator? We have what? 4. We have 8. we have 12, and we have what? And we have 3. So let's look at the prime numbers that can go in this value. So what is the smallest number that can go through? 2 can go. How many 2 can go in 4? 2. How many 2 can go through 8? 4. How many 2 can go through 12? 6. Can 2 go in 3? No, we repeat these 3. Okay? So let's continue. 2 can go again. So 2. How many 2 can go in 2? 1. How many 2 can go in 4? 2. How many 2 can go in 6? 3. Can 2 go in 3? No, we repeat the 3. Let's look at another prime factor that can go. Prime number that can go. So 2 again can go. How many 2 can go in 1? We repeat this. 2 in 2, 1. Can 2 go in 3? No, we repeat the 3. Can 2 go in 3? No, we repeat the 3. What can go this time around? 3. 3 in 3, we repeat the 1. 3 in 3, we repeat the 1. 3 in 3, 1. 3, how many 3 can go in 3? 1. Okay? So our LCM okay, are you with me? So our LCM, what do you mean of LCM? LCM means lowest common multiple, okay? Is all the prime numbers outside here. We multiply all the prime numbers outside. That will give us the lowest common multiple. So let's go. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. That's 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So let's do that. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Why 8 times 3 is what? 24. So our LCM is 24. So we are going to write it in a corner. Let's write it here. Can you see that? So LCM equals what? 24. So I'm still coming back to check the value in the box. Let me write it properly. So LCM equals 24. Okay, can we see that clearly? Okay. So we'll circle that. Now let's erase this and move to the second step. Step number 2. Remember, I told you we have 3 steps to solve a problem like this. So what is step 2? The step 2 is that we are going to multiply each of the fractions by what? By the LCM we got. So what do we have? 3 divided by 4 times the LCM, 24. 5 over 8 times the LCM, 24. 7 over 12 times the LCM, 24. And lastly, 2 over 3 times the LCM, 24. Okay? So let's cut it. 4 here, 1. How many 4 can go in 24? We have 6. Okay? So 3 times 6 will give us what? 18. Is that clear? Now let's move to the second one. 8 here, 1. 8 in 24, 3. 5 times 3, we get what? We get 15. Okay? And the next one, 12 here, 1. 12 here, 2. Then 7 times 2 will give us what? Will give us 14. Is that clear? Then the next one, 3 here, 1. 3 in 24, 8. 2 times 8 will give us what? 16. So we have succeeded in getting all the values as whole numbers. So from here, we are going to arrange what we got in ascending order. So we got 18, 15, 14, and 16. So how do we arrange it in ascending order? Okay, so ascending order, ascending order. So what is the smallest value we got? We got what? 14. So we write 14. We write comma. Followed by 15. Followed by what? 16 here. And the last one, 18. So what fraction gave us 14? Okay, what fraction gave us 14? This 14. Okay, 7 over 12 gave us this 14. So we write what? 7 over 12. What fraction gave us 15? This 15. 5 over 8 gave us 15. So we write 5 over 8. What fraction gave us 16? This 16. 2 over 3 gave us 16. So we write 2 over 3. And what fraction gave us 18? This 18 here. The fraction that gave us is 3 over 4. So we write 3 over 4 right there. 3 over 4. So you can see that we have succeeded in arranging these numbers in what? In ascending order. And that is method 1. Let's move to the second method, method 2. Okay? Now, for method 2. Method 2, you start from the beginning again. After you have gotten your LCM, okay, that's step 1. What do you do with the LCM? I don't want to repeat the steps again. How we got the LCM, we have done it before. So after you have gotten the LCM, what do you do with it? Okay, remember these are the what? These are the fractions. You write your dividing line. Put your LCM 24, okay, under the dividing line as your denominator. So what do you do? So how many 4 can go in 24? 6, okay? That will be 6 multiplied by the 3 numerator, by numerator 3, okay? Then, comma, how many 8 can go in 24? 3. So open your bracket, 3 multiplied by your numerator 5. Comma again. How many 12 can go in 24? 2. Open bracket, 2 multiplied by your numerator what? 7. Comma again. And how many 3 can go in 24? 8. So open another bracket, 8 multiply what? The 2 as your numerator. So what do you do with this? 6 times 3. 6 times 3 is what? 18, comma. 3 times 5 is what? 15. 2 times 7 is what? 14. 8 times 2 is what? 16. Divided by what? 24. Our LCM. Is that okay? Alright. So from here, we are going to now arrange what we got here in ascending order. We arrange them in ascending order. So what number is the smallest from here? Which one is the smallest? So let me continue from here. So from here, 14, 15, 16, 18. That's the order. So we have 14, 15, 16, 18. Everything divided by what? 20 what? 24. So what do we do from here? So we have 14. Each of them, we now separate each of them. So 14 divided by 24 separately, comma, 15 divided by 24 separately, separate it. Then 16 divided by 24 separately. And then what? 18 divided by what? 24 separately. Then you reduce this fraction to their lowest terms. Okay? So let's go. What can divide through here? You have 2 can go in 14. 2 here 7. 2 here 12. You write 7 over 12. Okay? Now what can go in 15 and 24? 3 can go. 3 in 15 will give me 5. Why 3 in 24? I'm going to get 8. So here, what can go in 16 and 24? Okay? Let's have 8. 8 can go. How many 8? Okay? 8 can go. How many 8 can go in 16? 8, we have 2. And how many 8 can go in 24? We have 3. And then the last one, which is what? 18. Okay? 18. So 6 can go. 6 can go. So let's continue. 6. How many 6 can go in 18? 6 times 3, 18. So 3. And how many 6 can go in 24? We have 8. 6 in 24. We have 4 rather. 4. Okay? Alright. So, okay. So, at the end of the day, we have arranged this fraction in ascending order. So, we have 7 over 12, followed by 5 over 8, followed by 2 over 3, and followed by 3 over 4. So, we got exactly the same answer we got using the first method. Is that okay? So, I'm going to give you an assignment before we call it a wrap or a wrap up. Assignments. So as you can see, you can use any of the two methods to arrange numbers in what? Ascending order. Okay? Whenever you see any of these questions, use any method of your choice to solve them so that you'll be able to get your full mark in class or during examination. Now take your assignment quickly. Assignments. Arrange these fractions in ascending order. Number 1. 2 over 8, 5 over 6, 7 over 12, 3 over 4. Number 2, 2 over 3, 5 over 9, 7 over 12, 11 over 18. Number 3, 1 over 3, 2 over 9, 5 over 18. Number 4, okay? 1 over 2, 3 over 5, 5 over 18, 17 over 30. Number 5, we have 2 over 5, 5 over 8, 7 over 10, 13 over what? Over 20. And number 6, which is the last one, 6 over 7, 5 over 14, 3 over 4, 5 over what? Over 28. So these are your assignments. All you need to do is to go through the assignments, solve them, show them to your school teachers for appropriate marking and corrections. And then you get better by the day. Okay? Remember to like this video, drop your comment in the comment section on how to serve you better and your questions you have for me, and the areas you still want us to treat again, or you want us to treat that you have not touched in mathematics. And then share this video to all your friends globally, all over the world, so that they too will benefit from what you are benefiting. And most importantly, click on the subscribe button under this video. Okay? Remember, the only way and the best way to become a mathematician, to know mathematics, to improve in mathematics, is through constant practice. You practice every time. Until I come your way again next time, my name still remains Mr. Okon Udom, your online tutor. And I'm saying to you, remain mathematically sound. Until I come your way again next time, be good, be smart, and be mathematical. Bye for now.